In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AWS Access Key ID and secret access key efficiently, and you'll be able to follow along for the next 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Go ahead and head to the AWS website. Once there, carefully log into your account with your credentials. Remember to keep your login details secure and, if you're in a public setting, ensure no one else can see your screen. After logging in, you'll land on the AWS Management Console, a central hub for managing your AWS resources. Here, you'll need to find the search bar at the top of the page. Type in IAM, which stands for Identity and Access Management. This is where we'll be doing most of our work today. Click on IAM when it appears in the drop-down list, and this will take you directly to the IAM dashboard. From the IAM dashboard, look over to your left. You'll see a navigation pane. Click on Users as we need to manage user access keys. This will bring up a list of users that have been set up in your AWS account. You can either select an existing user from this list, someone who needs access keys, or, if necessary, create a new user. If you are creating a user, make sure to fill out the pertinent details, such as user groups and permissions, to set up the account correctly. Once you've chosen the user, you'll find yourself on the user's details page. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the Security Credentials tab. A variety of options are available to manage your security settings, but for today's task, we have our eyes set on the Access Keys section, so scroll down until you find it. Now, you're looking at the section where current access keys, if any, are displayed. For creating a new key, click the button labeled Create Access Key. AWS will prompt you to choose the intended use case for this access key. Take a moment to determine the purpose of the key. If you're going to use it for operations such as the command line interface, select that option. Don't skip reading the security recommendations presented by AWS. Acknowledging these recommendations ensures the security of your data and operations. It's often a good idea to add a description for the access key. This little step helps you, or anyone else on your team, understand the key's purpose at a glance in the future. So, type in a short description if you'd like. Finally, confirm your choices by clicking Create Access Key. That's it. You've now successfully created an AWS Access Key ID and a secret access key. Make sure to store it securely, and never share it with anyone you don't trust. If you ever feel the key's security is compromised, be sure to return and rotate the keys. That wraps up our session today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.